Preface. Welcome to William Stanek's Classroom to Go training course, Managing and Maintaining a Server Environment. This study guide is designed to build your knowledge of general administration, also covers Internet Information Services, IIS, management and security. William Stanek's Classroom to Go training courses are designed for IT professionals who want to complete their Microsoft certification, IT professionals who want to learn about new technologies, IT professionals who want to refresh their memories about technologies they've previously learned. This audiobook also provides a unique way to learn about new technologies and to refresh your memory about technologies you previously learned. In that respect, you can use this audiobook to help keep your technology skills sharp. Think of this audiobook as the notes you'd have written down if you were to highlight and then record every essential nugget of information. Basically, what William has done is to boil the required knowledge down to its finest core. You should listen to this audiobook in its entirety at least once. If you encounter topics you haven't practiced with and studied extensively prior to listening to this text, you should do more hands-on work, more with the related area of study, and refer to an expanded discussion in a relevant text. Once you've built the real-world know-how and developed the essential background needed to succeed, you can resume your studies and move forward. The study guide is the heart of this audiobook. You should re-listen to audio tracks as necessary to help you study. In this audiobook, notes provide additional information or highlight a specific point, and warnings provide details on potential problems. For brevity and clarity, details about program paths, Active Directory paths, and environment variables are read in a very specific way. Instead of reading program paths literally, such as C, /program files, /Microsoft, /Office, program paths are read as C, program files, Microsoft, Office. Instead of reading Active Directory paths literally as computer configuration /Windows settings / security settings / local policies / security options, Active Directory paths are read as computer configuration, Windows, settings, security settings, local policies, security options. Instead of reading environment variables literally such as %system root %, environment variables are read as keywords such as system root. Following this means the program path %system root, %system32, /spool, /printers is read as system root, system32, spool, printers. Using this approach is much easier on the ears and much easier to visualize. About Microsoft certification. Microsoft offers multiple certification tracks. As an administrator or engineer, the tracks you'll be most interested in are Microsoft Certified Professional. MCP is an entry-level certification track. To become an MCP, you need to pass only one current Microsoft certification exam. Microsoft Certified Systems Administrator. MCSA is an intermediate certification track for experienced administrators. To become an MCSA, you must pass 3 core exams and 1 elective exam. Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer. MCSE is an advanced certification track for experienced administrators with strong engineering backgrounds. To become an MCSE, you must pass 6 core exams and 1 elective exam. Taken appropriately, the certification tracks can measure the progress of your IT career from beginner to pro. Or for those already experienced, the certification tracks can be a measure of your progress through the process of getting your professional credentials. Regardless of your certification plans, the exam I recommend studying for and taking first is Exam 70-290, Managing and Maintaining a Microsoft Windows Server 2003 Environment. When you pass this exam, you will get your MCP credentials. The next exam I recommend studying for and taking is Exam 70-291, Implementing, Managing, and Maintaining a Microsoft Windows Server 2003 Network Infrastructure. When you pass this exam, you will have completed the 2 required Networking Systems exams for MCSA certification. To complete MCSA certification, you would then need to complete a Client Operating System exam and an elective exam. Exams 70-290 and 70-291 are also 2 of the 4 required networking system exams for MCSE certification. The other 2 required networking system exams are Exam 70-293, Planning and Maintaining a Microsoft Windows Server 2003 Network Infrastructure, and Exam 70-294, Planning, Implementing, and Maintaining a Microsoft Windows Server 2003 Active Directory Infrastructure. A recommended study aid to help you with your training is the book MCSE, Core Required Exams in a Nutshell, published by O'Reilly Media Incorporated and written by William Stanek. MCSE, Core Required Exams in a Nutshell, covers exams 70-290, 70-291, 70-293, and 70-294, and this audiobook contains materials from the printed book. Thank you for purchasing William Stanek's Classroom to Go training course.
To keep listening to this audiobook, I've left you a link in the description so you can do it at no cost, thanks to Audible's 30-day free trial.